Hello, sir.
Sir.
Good evening, friends. I'm Dr. Anita Sharma. I'm a wellness consultant, an academic strategist, an NLP and life coach practitioner. And recently, today's session is related to the Margdarshan NEET 20. That is, we are here to understand the nitty-gritties about the NEET 2020 and the issues, the guidelines for form filling and the choice selection filling. So students who have given their NEET exams must be thrilled, excited, tired, exhausted, everything. So now let us start the next part of the relay race. The first hurdle you have already crossed, given your exams. Most of you have found out the approx cutoffs also. So now is the time to understand what is the next step and how to prepare yourselves for the next step. Looking into all these things, we have a very renowned, experienced, and expert person on our panel who is Dr. Riker sir. Welcome, Dr. Riker sir. So he is in the field of counseling the NEET students for over 20 years. He has an experience of being the ex-professor for at the JJ Hospital for the UG as well as the PG students. He is a specialist in this and has an immense experience. So today he is here to guide us all about the guidelines, what the students have to follow, the do's and the don'ts regarding the seat selection, the choice filling. So we are very lucky to have you, sir, to guide all the students who are in a confusion state, because everything, so many things are changing. The government policies are changing, the reservation policies are changing, the examination patterns are changing, the agency which was conducting the exams is changing. So there are so many changes, and plus to add to all these things, the pandemic which is already there. So there are so many things which are combining, and so it creates a lot of confusion in the mind of a student. So let me just start this discussion. So, sir, as you are also aware, you have also gone through the paper. So the bio paper this time was comparatively very easy. So then in this bio section, so there will hardly be any criteria to understand कि ये एक decision making factor हो सकता है. Bio paper was, I think, easy. है ना? और
Okay,
जो,
yes, 100%.
Yeah, और जो
There
chemistry
is
का,
no ambiguity answer. There is no ambiguity answers are there. Clear-cut answers are there.
okay, so there were no
Immediately they can
ambiguity.
solve it.
जी जी,
हाँ.
तो इसीलिए वो बेनिफिट रहा बच्चों को कि देयर वाज नो एम्बिग्यूटी, और वो कंफ्यूजन नहीं हुआ बच्चों को, जहां पर मोर देन वन ऑप्शंस वर आल्सो राइट. सो वो अब
हाँ.
नहीं था आपकी बार. ओके, नेक्स्ट वाज द केमिस्ट्री सेक्शन. सो केमिस्ट्री आल्सो वाज नॉट वेरी डिफिकल्ट एंड नॉट वेरी इजी आल्सो. सो अगेन वो भी डिसीजन मेकर नहीं रहा. सो द होल focus is now on the physics paper. So if your take on this physics paper, sir? Well, this can be the decision-making factor.
Of course.
Okay.
Physics, this time they are only a formula-based questions are asked.
Okay.
There is no ambiguity. There is nothing. They can. They also score. May score because every time there was a formula calculations part was there.
Yeah.
Now this time they are clearly it's formula-based questions. There is no ambiguity. No criteria for that. You can solve directly. Yes. That is why this time score may go up.
Exactly. So then, but this was also a problem also for the students, because they thought it is so easy. How is it possible that it can be so easy? And so they were hesitant in solving the paper also, writing the right answer, because they thought, how can the paper be so easy? So they were hesitant. They were hesitant कि इतना easy कैसे हो सकता है? We have prepared so much. How can it be so easy and so easy just to apply the formula and get the answer? How can it be so easy? So this was also a intriguing factor. So now the whole point comes कि now how should the cutoff be decided? What will be the criterias to understand, and how to understand okay, how will you get your desired institute in the seats? So if you can just guide us, sir, Okay, what will be the deciding factors? I think one is the percentile factor. So can you
Okay.
just explain with some examples, like what is percentile actually for a new student to understand the difference between what is percentile and what is percentage?
Percentile is entirely different depending on the number of candidate appeared and number of person higher score. According to that, they will calculate. The formula is there. According to that, they will calculate the percentage, percentile. Percentage and percent are different. So then they come to know that how it is a 50 percentile compulsory for MBBS BDS, 40% for percentile for reservation category, and 45 percentile is for physically disabled candidate. They will calculate according to the number of students present and number of higher score present. How many people are higher score? Okay. And that they will calculate the lowest score. They will calculate the figure. Their formula is there. Okay. They will calculate percentile. Percentile is most important.
So it is now, not equal to percentage.
Paper was very easy. The question is easy is also bad, good, difficult also bad. They entirely depend on how many students have attempted that question. There are difficult level question also they have calculated. Statistical they calculate. Difficulty level, easy level, moderate level. They are according that paper is set up. Now regarding now you told me that biology was easy. Everybody will get easy. Near about 14,000, 14 lakh people, they will get it easy only. Now the problem is now they will release the key and answer paper. After some time, they will answer key and they will release. That time the problem is everybody will calculate. Yes. I will get this mark. I will get this mark. That doesn't mean your rank will be that.
Yes.
The question is when there are suppose 450 marks you got total, physics, chemistry, biology. The 450 marks people will 100, 200, 500 maybe 450 people.
Yes.
You can't just decide it because 1 percentile there the 500 people are go ahead. So always think that approximately you can judge where I can stand. That you get marks because for example there are 4 to 5 tie are there.
Okay.
Whether candidate knows or I don't know, because the highest biology mark will go topper. Then biology, the toppers are again 500, 600, same marks biology.
Same.
Then they go to chemistry. Again they go chemistry 500, but there's equal marks. Now what to do now? Then you come to physics.
Okay.
Then they will total. Again the physics are 500 papers, equal marks are the total. Then what will go? Then they will go how many people are negative marks and positive marks.
Okay.
More negative will come down. Still the mark is complete. The fourth is the older go up. Age. Age is also factor there. That is why on the form filling, they have to give proper date of birth is most important.
Okay.
Because the fourth or fifth ties go on, older people will go up top.
So the
these are ties. Then you will come
chance.
to one rank. Then we'll come to one rank.
One rank.
That is most important.
Okay.
Then you come to know that this rank where I will get. Then that will calculate later on. Now regarding I can say the now Islam, Darul-e-Islam, Supreme Court judgment has come. I want to tell the students what are the how to go through what are Supreme Court judgments. Darul-e-Islam, what's the Union of India judgment has come. This judgment has told, carefully listen the parents, I'm telling you, this judgment says those who are taken admission anywhere in India in the second round, and if he joined there, and if he cancelled, he is not eligible to enter anywhere in India, any state, anywhere. This is most important. This judgment has given Darul-e-Islam.
So that if you have taken admission in the second
round, and if you cancel it, then you are not eligible to enter and it is out.
Okay.
Plus you will lose you will lose your security deposit also.
Okay.
So please careful that I can't jump anywhere once you join the second round. If you are not joining, it's okay. You are eligible all over anywhere in your state or you are eligible. The question again, when before think that whether I should join or when you are allotted, Once you join, you gone. You can't cancel. That is, please remember the parents and child.
This is
Now
very,
timing,
very
I will take
important
it.
information.
I'm taking second and I'm joining here in UP or someone college. Now I'll go for Bihar, my own college, institutional quota. That you can't do. This is very much important.
So
Judgment
always
is given.
discuss before you are deciding something. Always discuss with experts.
Of course.
Yes.
This what you told that cutoff this year, last year, 701 was the last. First candidate in the merit one number is 701.
Yes.
This time it may go up also. 710, 720. It may, because the paper was very easy.
Easy,
yeah. Then go. Then the advantage again is that this time the student will get more benefit. Then see the 1400 seats have come to you in your quota.
Okay.
You can go for 1400 seats. Even if the 20% there are 1400 seats are come, you will get gain also that also.
Because of AIIMS and JIPMER.
AIIMS and JIPMER. These are seats this time they are included, but you can fill up that also. Need preference form filling.
Yes.
Regarding, I can, if you want, I can explain, madam, that
yes,
what are the precautions to take the while the filling preference registration.
Yes, sir. Please, sir. Yes, sir.
Second is Ashish Ranjan judgment is come. Ashish Ranjan against Union of India. This judgment has said all India only conduct 2 rounds.
2 rounds.
2 rounds. After 2 rounds, he has to surrender respect to state vacancies.
Okay.
This is Ashish Ranjan judgment is already mentioned, and I think in the neat brochure you are also mentioned, because these are 2 judgments are more important. One judgment is in state that once you are taken second round admission, you cannot cancel. Join, not cancel. Second, the all India conduct only 2 rounds.
Okay.
Thereafter, the seat goes back to, you can't go there. You have to go for respect to state to take that seat. If you are not joined.
This is very, very important. Students, do make a note of it. Parents and students, whoever is listening, it is very, very important information. So this time, the choice filling, it is hit or miss.
Now the choice filling, again I am telling you.
G.
The choice filling, first All India will declare the result. The scorecard will get it. Thereafter, you have to register the online on it.
Okay.
Once on register, then registration over, then you have to fill the choice filling. Suppose you have filled the choice filling for 300. Now you can ask, your mind is changed. I want to edit something. Because lockdown of the preference, you can change. Once you lock down, you can't change entire process at all.
So before filling the forms, you should always make a copy of it, discuss with the experts, and then
with the expert which college where I may get to expert. Is the all India quota I am talking. I'm not state quota I am talking. It's all India quota I am talking.
Yes.
State quota is the same like that. It will be later on. Now immediately start from all India.
Okay.
So preference filling before registration number is most important. First registration, then preference, then locking. The 3 steps are there. Now, okay. Parents are requesting you, then while you are registration of the form, carefully fill all the details carefully. Name, spelling mistake, wherever, because same you will carry out the preference form filling. If a disparities comes, you may not get there is a queries will come. Because though always see that whatever you are filling in registration form, same to be filled in the preference form. Don't make any mistake. Keep it that printout with you. Fill like that only. Second most important is not to disclose password. There will be password.
Yes.
Only candidate can see that password. He can open his OMRC, whatever registration work, because this is the most important.
So this password should not be disclosed to anybody.
Except candidate and parent.
Except candidate.
Not
this is very important. Yes.
Because if you tell me, I will tell you one more example in the state city.
Yes.
2017 or 18. One parent has come to me. She was the All India rank is topper. Okay. She would have got it in. She the girl from Ratnagiri.
Okay.
She has filled all the Maharashtra state KEM first. She got 100%. She KEM got it. because the problem is faced, she has shared some password somebody else. The password, they have opened, they have scattered her all the preferences. She went to UP Bihar. She bitterly cried. They came to 6 o'clock with all parents and how it happened. Because your password is hacked. Now we came to overnight, we stayed, we also not change the password once you are given. But this case, we have the agency, I called him personally because her life is there. She will get 100% because lower marks percentage get KEM, all India quota.
Okay.
So password is most important. We change the password overnight. Then I will give this, you keep it preserved. You will get in Maharashtra KEM seat. Because here what happened? State lost one seat. Because she would have got all India quota. One state person can do a come in this thing, occupy this seat. One state seat are lost because
this is very rare that this happened, because most of the students are just not aware of it. They just don't know.
This is what I'm telling you.
Yeah.
The awareness that should be kept. It is not easy. It only the password should go. Those who are in the rankers.
Yes.
Because jealousy people are there.
Absolutely.
If she go up, I may get that seat.
Yes.
That is what I am. Because this also password is the most important. Carefully you have to fill the application forms, the registration form, no mistake in anywhere. Even if it is a mistake, even if the error, you will ask you to go to contact, you have to submit affidavit wherever the changes, you will get it corrected.
Yes. So the earlier you understand, firstly, so you have to avoid all the mistakes. And the earlier you understand this is your mistake, you have to rectify and by the officials.
One example I gave it is silly mistakes.
Yes. And also, so since there are so many nitty-gritties and so many precautions to be taken, so we would like to extend, with your guidance, of course, sir, we would like to extend that we can do this mock form filling, mock choice filling for the students.
That time we guide all the things one-to-one personality can so many things can explain them. What are the advantage, disadvantage, everything you can explain.
Yes.
But because that is most, but parent and child should sit together and decide it and come to a counseling.
Absolutely.
Then they have to study homework first there, then come to us. We will guide them how to go there. Whether you are correct or we are correct. If they are correct, we'll go ahead. We'll counsel them. Yeah. Sit together, decide in the home only. Yeah. Because taking admission is not one man decision. You have to whole family. I want to take my child admission. Yes. Where I should come Delhi, All India Maulana Education, Maulana Azad, or some aims, or I can say keep my child in the Bombay. It has to be decided. All the parents, those are rankers, sit together. They are always sit together with the parents. Where can I send my daughter? Up to which level?
So students should not decide alone, or the parent should not decide alone. It always has to be a team effort. And then you can include a counselor or an expert in this panel. We are here to guide you through this process, one-to-one personalized guidance and mentoring we can do. And sir is kind enough and generous enough that he would be extending his support also in this one-to-one counselings also. So students, this is a golden opportunity for all of you, parents and students, because this is something which is absolutely unique and we are ready to offer. We have been in this field of counseling for over 20 plus years. So take advantage of this experience and this expertise. We have a huge panel of experts who are there working for all of you. So take advantage of this. We are here to guide you through this mock choice filling session, which will be individualized one-to-one session. You with your family can interact with the experts and the panel of experts which we have with your choice filling and your marks and your specific details. Of course, the password will be with you, but we can guide you through how you have to do the form filling, the seat selection, the choice selection based on your marks and your preferences, because every student will have different preferences. Every parent wants a specific thing for their child. Every child has his or her own dreams. So we have to combine all those things together, plus see the availability and the ranks and the criterias, because so many things have changed. So you cannot just look back कि पिछले साल you cannot just go through the last year's choice filling and fill it this year. It will not be right because many things have changed.
This year,
So,
many things can change.
yeah.
Because of that, I'm telling the when the counseling what required is because see the seats are 1400 added. That is the advantage.
Added.
One is that for
Yes, sir.
state quota there is an increase the seat of this time. There is a Maratha election is removed. I don't know.
Yes.
Maratha reservation they are removed. They are near about 400 to 450 seat will come in your
Yeah.
custody.
So the 70-30 ratio has been
Common single merit is there. You have opportunity more that if you are in the merit, you can take
yes.
any seat available according to your merit. So
Absolutely.
this time choice filling also important. Last year is different. This year also is different. So you have to think before giving the choice. Because the state is
Think
giving only
before
one choice,
ink.
one time choice.
Yeah.
All
Think
India
before
taking
ink.
second round chance also. Think before ink.
Yes.
So all India people are taking two time preferences. When the government of Maharashtra is taking one time preferences. The time limit is very less.
Yes. So last time also you had mentioned. Last time also you had mentioned that in Maharashtra selections, once you have filled the choices, then you cannot correct. This will remain throughout.
Throughout all the process.
All the process.
Including MBBS, BDS.
Yeah. So you have to
because
be very clear.
They are cut-off date or last admission is everything is fixed by Medical Council of India. So Medical Council of India is decide the last cut-off date of admission, closing of admission. Yeah. Because last year up to the 30th of August was the cut-off date was there. Unless Supreme Court increase the date of cut-off date admission. So if Supreme Court increase again, because many times what happens, candidate may not be available. They are bringing down the eligibility criteria. So 50 को 45 करेंगे, 40 को 35 करेंगे, ऐसा लाके नीचे लाते और accommodate all students, those who are not eligible.
Okay.
Because the percentile. Because he should have physics, chemistry, biology in 12th also 50%, NEET also 50%.
Yes.
Both is required.
Now, yeah.
Suppose
and
the
now
50% people are not available.
Yes.
Not available. That time they bring down the percentile down for eligibility criteria.
Eligibility.
That also closely you have to watch the website carefully. Till admission cut off, you have to go continuously watch the website regularly. So date by date changes.
So you have to be well versed and keep updating yourselves also. And we can also from our side, when you are contacting us, if you are in our broadcasting team, we will also keep updating all of you. So we will create a broadcast team for the students who are enrolling. So the numbers are scrolling below. So you can contact us and we can assist you. We can guide you through and mentor you through. So also not only it is for the seat selection or the choice selection, it is also you have to be previously well equipped that what will be a criteria regarding it would be an MBBS or a BDS or a physiotherapy and anything, because everything has a same list. You are filling the list for all the streams. So you have to be absolutely clear what weightage are you giving to which stream also. It is not only the university which you have to give weightage.
The university is one in Maharashtra.
Yes.
Maharashtra University Health Science University is the one. There is no different university are there. Health Science University is the only one is situated in the Nashik. Maharashtra University of Health Science Nashik. There is no other university. Health Science University only one. But the selection of college and city is the most important.
Yes. College
and city I explained in last episode only, because college and city, university is the one. Previously it was 2000, there was only different universities were there. Amravati, Mumbai, Pune. Now only one health science university is MUHS, Maharashtra University of Health Science, Nashik.
Okay. And that's a deemed university.
No, it is not deemed. It is a university. It's not deemed.
University.
All health science courses are conducted by MD, MS, super specialty, speech therapy, physiotherapy. All health science courses are one university in one state. Deemed university different are there. DY Patil deemed is there. Bharati Vidyapit there. Pravara is there. Karad is there. They are different universities. They are not attached to this university. They are deemed university.
Deemed university. Okay. So friends, take this opportunity. This is a golden opportunity. Parents and students who are watching this, share this video wide, like, subscribe, and comment, and get connected with us. We are here to give you this unique opportunity of doing the mock counseling 101 personalized sessions. And Dr. Raikar sir is constantly here with us and helping us mentor the students and parents. So thank you so much, sir, for this interview. Thank you so much on these
Thank you.
highlights. And
Good
some
night.
last tips, any last tips that you want to tell the students?
Student last because of All India is entire different. All India admission is entirely different. This state quota is different. When the state quota comes, then 100% I will explain each and everything, every course, institution, everything will be given guideline for them, parents. Because child is don't know anything. Parent knows should be counseling. Child is only has to 12. Because what happened this time, always even things remember. The choice, even if the rank come down, the freshers are coming very less. There are those rankers are there, they are repeaters. Because pressure are very less. There are studious students because they are less percentage of weight. See, when we conduct a CET, every year we increase the capacity 20%. We know that failure are 20%, they are trial. According to that, we printed the forms, printed select centers and all. We know first time because he has to study 12th marks plus CET, NEET. Once the repeater, what he know the idea what questions are coming. Then he has to 1 year he will repeat, 1 or 2 years he will take repeat. But his ambition is want to doctor. He will become a doctor because he knows 1 year entirely is depend on the NEET only. He will not touching other subjects. Year 12, what happened? He has to this 12 subject plus NEET.
NEET, yes.
He is constant. He has to attend college also. Here college is not attending. Whole day, 1 year is completely dedicated for NEET only, and he know aware of that how the questions are coming. He has good idea because he knows that. See, the 90% those who are losing the seats of 10 marks, 15 marks, 20 marks, he 100% go for it. He will never take that opportunity. Whatever available, I will play. ऐसा नहीं करेगा. आपको MBBS करना है. I will repeat it because he knows when I take 190, 80, I can take 190 also because I have plenty of times. I can study it. Because 12th, I studied both studied very difficult it was. Now I come to know how the questions are coming, what are syllabus was there, how the question I should attempt. Better. Always see the repeaters are always more, they are getting better chance. The freshers are very they are born and brought up studious students. They are not bookworms. I'm telling you, studious students, they are not bookworms. They know their brain is like that.
So they are smart.
That is one thing. They are smart. Because majority people are. That is what I'm telling you. Because repeaters are getting more advantage of this exam. But these are very expert. Fresher don't know how the paper is coming. You don't. Like teaching coaching class, they are practicing everything different. But
they have less exposure of this competitive exams. Exposure is less.
ना उसको मालूम पड़ जाता है कि हमको ये टाइप का क्वेश्चन आने वाला है, वो टाइप पर वो स्टडी करते बैठता है, सॉल्व करते बैठता है, क्योंकि उसको दूसरे काम है ही नहीं कि उसको खाली नीट ही देना है, इंग्लिश पढ़ना नहीं है, दूसरा सब्जेक्ट पढ़ना नहीं है, इसमें 1 साल पूरा एक ही काम में धंधा है, कॉलेज जाना नहीं है, कोचिंग क्लासेस जाना है, घर में प्रैक्टिस करना है, दूसरा कुछ है ही नहीं. पहला कॉलेज जाओ, कॉलेज छोड़ने कोचिंग क्लास जाओ, कोचिंग घर में प्रैक्टिस करो, वो एग्जॉस्ट होता था. अभी कुछ नहीं, उसको आराम से कर देता है. रिपीटर ज्यादा करके मेरिट में आ जाते यूजुअली. माय ट्रेंड इज लाइक दैट. दोज हु आर 10-15 marks and losing the MBBS seat, he go for 100% repeat.
Yes. So their commitment level also increases and their advantages also increase.
Their choices always there. I have come to know that their choice is first MBBS. If you're not getting MBBS, then I go for BDS. If you're not BDS, then physiotherapy. If you're not physiotherapy, you leave it. Because Ayurveda and the other courses are there, they are teaching the Marathi. The Sanskrit is required for Ayurveda.
We'll discuss the other options next time, sir.
That I will later decide. But the trend is like that.
Yes.
Always even if the parents should not disappoint, the candidates is getting.
Yes, there are other options. So we can make another separate video for the different options which are available to the students.
That is different. उसका choice feeling अलग रहता है. उसके लिए मैं parent को एक request कर दूंगा. बच्चे ने मार्क कम लाया, मेरिट कम लाया, disappoint मत.
Yes. There are so many options available. Yes, sir.
है कि रास्ता ने बहुत एक साइंस दिया, किसी नीट दिया, तो उसको इतने ऑप्शंस है. हर एक का माइंड सेट करना क्या करना है.
Next time we'll do a career guidance session for the students who are interested in understanding what are the different options which we can pursue other than medicine. That can also
courses, all the courses are in hospital only.
So keep in touch. We'll be coming up with those sessions also. But firstly, you can enroll for the mock counseling session for the choice filling, personalized one-to-one interactions, parents and students, and all the best wishes. Thank you so much for joining in. Thank you.
Thank you.
Best wishes. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.